I have no idea where I am, but I'm in somewhere like Taipa, Pequena, which is like a mountainside, and we're kind of way up in the mountains. There's a bunch of there's a school right here. There's some abandoned buildings over there that we're gonna walk by. There's some rocks, and I don't know, interesting. Okay, we're gonna walk downhill and explore it though. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so yeah, so this is like, I think this is a trail that goes up there a little ways, and yeah, let's just kind of see what we can see around here. We are going to walk down that way. I'll give you a street name later. Whoa, something's moving in there. Got all these stairs here. Dang, it's kind of creepy. Apartment here. I don't know what that animal was. There's some kind of animal that was in there. Maybe a rat, I guess. Let's go down a little bit. Man, it's just so weird. Kind of way up on the mountainside, so that's why it's so strange. Apartment that's way up here. Has some amazing views, I would imagine. And there's a school here. You can see some of the school stuff. There's a rodent there, so let's try to avoid that. Come down this way. There's the school. It feels like everything seems so like quiet. Hear all the birds, tons of birds everywhere. So I guess, yeah, this bus probably takes people up the hill to come to the school. It's just so strange. There's the name of the school right there. So yeah, I'm not really sure which way to go here. Of course I'm curious about that, but this road would technically go down this way. Huh. But I think I'm more curious about this at the moment, because there's all these abandoned apartments. You can oversee the parking lot over there. This looks like it's also abandoned too. It's just so strange. Yeah, this giant abandoned building along with this abandoned building. It's weird, right? But then those buildings are active, so if you're a teenager, where are you gonna go? You're gonna go over here and hang out, have parties, drink some beer, smoke cigarettes. This is so strange. I don't even know what to label this, but all those apartments are abandoned and empty, so it looks like you could get over there pretty easily. I'm sure it's trespassing. I know one of my viewers doesn't like it when I trespass. I don't see any signs though. Kind of want to go to the side and just overlook the side there. I am from Michigan, which has a lot of old factories and abandoned buildings, and I follow the YouTubers, and they often do what do they call that? Call it urban. They go into abandoned buildings and look around. That one's an active building for sure. So I don't know what we're on exactly. This looks like a trail. Okay, that looks amazing. Look at those tall buildings everywhere. Looks cool. There's Galaxy over there, so we're looking south. So it looks like it's all like Taipa proper. I wasn't really planning to hike, but I guess I am suddenly. Looks like this road basically connects to some kind of hiking trail. We're overlooking the city. So yeah, this is Taipa Pequena. Pequena is a small mountain. There's another one called Taipa Grande. Keep getting better views, so I have to keep stopping and turning the camera to look. Might have to do another one where I go down. Dang, look at that. I think I know where that's at. I filmed it before from the other side. There's like a little bridge right there that connects this building with this one quite high above. So these are like outdoor, it's fire escapes. So fire escape on that side and that side, right? So there's 2 fire escapes and a bridge to the top. So if one is burning, you can cross over to the other building, get down safely. It's actually amazing. At the same time, it's like scary as hell. Another fire escape over there too. It's good. It's good to see a building with fire escapes. Oh yeah. Amazing. So we're gonna keep on going up. And I think this one, we'll probably just label it Taipa Pequena. And looks like we're just part of a trailhead, so there's a little hiking up in here. So okay, there's a children's playground up right over that way, I guess. Leisure zone, North Peak Pavilion, relief sculpture. Let's see if this helps out a little bit. Okay, so we're here, so we could actually hike the whole trail all the way around. I don't know how long that would take. Tempting, tempting, very tempting. So that's our view right there, and that's where we just came down that street right there. And I guess what we'll do is we'll go down the trail a little bit. Dang, I don't know. Should just do the whole trail, you know? Don't think it would take that long. Got all this beautiful stuff. Right now we're at 6.5 minutes. So okay, so I guess we'll just sum up right here. Probably do another video here. So we're basically in Taipa Pequena. We started out at this kind of strange place with some abandoned buildings and a school and some active buildings. Don't know what that's all about. But I think what we'll do is we'll end it, and then maybe we'll just walk this and do a whole other video. So yeah, I don't even know what to call this one. Anyways. Chiquinha.